Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Larry from Diecast by Larry. I got a couple of pieces in the mail today, so I wanted to do a little bit of a live unboxing for you guys. Definitely excited to open them. We'll start with this one right here. Put this to the side. This is coming from a somebody that I'm friends with, but also they have a huge online store, House of Cars. Definitely check out House of Cars. They have different kind of subscriptions that you could get, where you could get cars monthly. You could get sealed cases, one-time purchases. They have a lot of cool custom stuff. Typically always packed pretty well, as you can see, with all the bubble wrap and the foam in there. So here's the first piece of mail that I'm opening for today. And this is from Auto World subscription. I get one Ultra Red a month, so it's a surprise on what I get myself. And it's a pretty good one, in my opinion. I'm liking it a lot. We got the 94 Toyota Supra Auto World Ultra Red. Again, awesome place to deal with. Great guys, great girls that run the shops there. The monthly subscriptions have worked out really well for me. I love doing them. I love the surprise on what I'm opening every month. So that's our first one there. So that was pretty cool. Nice little opening there. Now, this is from my buddy Alex. He helped set this up for me. It's from one of his local friends that sent it. Alex is awesome. Again, always packs well. We got a bunch of the foam so that things aren't moving around in there. Let's pop this out. Always bubble wrapped really nice also by my boy Alex. And I do know what's in this one, and I'm really excited to get it. If I could get it in here, there we go. See the table? Cool. See more tape in here? You guys know these cars, you probably recognize. That's M2 Polar. Recognize the size. I'll take some over here too, but here we go. There we go. I love getting boxes that I know are packaged well. I've had issues in the past from like Amazon and eBay and places like that. So I love dealing with people that I know are going to box it up well. So here you go. This is from Coke Release TW20. Box is looking in great condition. We got the raw Fairlane from TW20. Limited to 250 pieces. I love collecting M2 raws. That's one of my favorite things to collect right there. And it's a beautiful piece. It's got the Ford COE truck head attached to it. So really cool piece right there, TW20. So those were my two pieces of mail today. But I did get something the other day as well that I wanted to show because I love the car. Sharkmouth Mach 1 Mustang. So that's another piece of mail that I got this week, but I already opened it because I was excited to open it. So I wanted to show you guys that as well. So that's my mail for the week right now. Got two M2s, which you guys know is my favorite brand if you watch my intro video. And this cool Auto World Supra, which I'm actually really digging, the red with the white tires and everything. So there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. If you get a chance, please subscribe. Thank you. Hey everyone, so I got another piece of mail the next day. I took the video of the other cars yesterday, so I wanted to include it all in the same video. This one, I know what this one is. It's from 3000 Toys. First time I'm really getting from them, maybe the second time. Like I said, I usually get everything online from House of Cars or Facebook friends and stuff like that. But this is from 3000 Toys. A little nervous because the box is smushed a little bit. I already know the kind of car that's in here, and the car is as big as the box is, so stuff like that already makes me nervous. But they got a bunch of foam in it like the other ones did yesterday, so that's a good sign. And the car's not on the side that I got crushed, but I'm really, really excited about this car. and I'll tell you why. I'm going to take a look at it. It is beautiful. I'm going to take a look at it before I show, but absolutely beautiful. I think it's a 97. Yeah, so 97 Mustang. This one's actually really special to me because I had a 98 Mustang, which is the same body style. So I try to get as many of the like 94 to 98 Mustangs that I can. My favorite Mustang body style, you know, as far as the newer ones go anyway, for sure. But this was, I usually don't get racing champion stuff, but this was a beautiful car, had to have it, and had to share this with you and show you guys, you know, this little mail call as well. So I wanted to include that on this video. Again, thank you so much. I'm going to actually add the link to House of Cars in the description of this video if you want to check them out. Like I said, awesome place to get stuff from. But there you have it. My next day mail call. Really loving that. Super excited about it. Even nicer in person than I thought it was going to be. But again, when you have a chance, please subscribe. I'll be sharing more content as soon as I have it. Everyone have a good one.